Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm responsible for the international sales with easescreen, the digital signage solution for all different kind of applications you have in mind. Welcome at ISE 2020. This year again, we are here to show a lot of different solutions. One of the simple things, but you have seen already, are here is place and learn, lift and learn, any kind of interactivity that you would like to have. You can implement it quite easily and have it as part of your solution. You don't have to do any programming, it's just basically plug and play, put the pieces together, and it will work smoothly as the way you would like to have it. Also have some reading material, and the solution will actually read it to you. We are looking forward to see you the next couple of days at ISE 2020. We are in Hall 8, booth E120. Looking forward to meet you. Our webpage is easescreen.com, easescreen with an E. Looking forward to meet you. Thank you.